The very first one is, the simplest, and a lot of people would know this, and this is the Amazon Associates program. So this is basically an affiliate program that Amazon has, that if you drive traffic and somebody buys a product from one of your links, you get a small commission. And it's a very small commission, and they've got to buy within 24 hours. So in order for this to be lucrative, you really have to have either, you're either an influencer already that's got a following perhaps on Instagram or TikTok or somewhere. And you might do like deals or something like that and drive traffic that way. So that's one way. You might have a special interest website. For example, if you're interested in photography and you do reviews of cameras and you put links to different cameras that are sold on Amazon and somebody buys, you can make money. So that's really, if you've already got an audience of some kind, and Amazon Associates, it's a really good way to do it. If you're starting from scratch, it's not that easy, although, people get huge TikTok followings pretty quickly these days. So maybe if you're a young person and can want to sort of start doing TikTok videos, that would be, if I was a young person, that's what I'd be doing as for Amazon Associates, because there's a lot of ways you can do that. And also brands like myself are actually paying Amazon influencers on TikTok to feature our products as well. So that's a second way to make money as an Amazon associate. So,
hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.